So many of the star readers craft stories about someone being under investigation, not to reveal the truth, but to deceive and appear convincing. But deep down, I know that they are the ones who should be investigated. And it is ironic, even laughable, when you see people in the comments saying things like, well, you've been talking about this for years, but no one ever ends up going to jail. So the more they bring up investigations, the more obvious that their agenda is obvious. In fact, gang stalking is notorious for fabricating fake investigations as a way to manipulate perception and discredit their target. So after the false investigation, they will then create a story about someone has an evidence that their villain is doing this and that. So like for example, they were trying to portray someone to be in a coven. They will create a story that someone was caught in a video doing some rituals with some group, when in truth, you know that they were the group and most likely a coven. And there are evidences out there because if you pay attention, they're posting their group rituals, but yet you'll hear them talking about someone in a coven. You see as to how deep deception goes for gang stalking, as they are known for false investigations, just different kinds of corny tactics to isolate and destroy their target. Gang stalking is also known for fabricating evidences. I don't know how convincing their evidences are. So everything about these people are fake. Fake persona, fake people of light, fake eyelashes, fake hair, fake nails, fake news, fake evidences, fake. Yet, they will call someone in their fake tarot readings to be fake. It's a fake villain. And they are fake victims. That's for sure. Everything is fake.